Bonjour mes élèves. This video is to walk you through our Go Formative activity today. So I wanted my students at home to have an opportunity to speak because we do speaking in class, and speaking is a huge part of learning French, obviously. So I've converted a couple things we're doing in class today into this Go Formative. So let me explain. There's three parts. Partie 1, speaking, okay? So the first part is going to be using this family tree, the family tree of Emma. Okay, voici Emma. So you're answering the questions from the perspective of Emma. You're going to listen to some audio of me asking questions about this family tree, and you're going to respond with your voice, recording your voice, in answering my questions. So here's some vocabulaire utile. Qui, who, qui. Est, is, est. Sont, are. Okay. So if I would ask, qui sont Jean-Pierre et Joël? Okay. You're going to look at the family tree, and you're going to, again, you're Emma. You're going to respond, Jean-Pierre et Joël sont les grands-parents d'Emma. Okay. So if you just say les grands-parents, that's okay. This just means of Emma, Emma's grandparents, okay? But I do want you to try and answer in a complete sentence. You can listen and re-listen as many times as you need to my voice, okay? So you're going to listen to this. Okay, I'm not sure if you can hear that on the video, but that's my question. If you need to listen to it again, listen to it again. When you're ready, record your response, okay, in une phrase complète, complete sentence. All right, that's partie 1. There's partie 2 is again speaking, but I'm asking you about your family. Okay, so I'm going to ask you if you have a particular family member. So remember this, tu as, you have, tu as un frère? You would answer oui, j'ai un frère, ou non, je n'ai pas de frère. Okay, again, vocabulaire utile, j'ai. I've heard some j'ai. Just make sure it's j'ai, like a blue jay, but a je, blue jay, j'ai. Or je n'ai pas de, I don't have any. Okay, so if I were to ask you, tu as un frère? You're going to answer oui, j'ai un frère, ou non, je n'ai pas de frère. Again, click right here, you'll hear my question, and then click here to record your response. Okay. Now, no more speaking for today after this part. Partie 3 is something that we do in class on these task cards that I will put up in the hallway, and we'd walk around and record our answers. Can't do that, but I've made it accessible for you in the Go Formative. So they're called task cards, and they're asking questions about family relationships. Cards or questions 1 through 15 do not use the family tree. They are questions about family in general. Some of them are riddles, and you're going to have to really think through the riddle and figure out what it's asking. It helps maybe to even jot down if it's saying someone is related to someone and then they have an aunt. For me, it helps down to kind of make a little family tree sketch and then answer. Okay, and then questions 16 to 30, you have to refer to this family tree. If it helps you, you can, I linked a copy of this, so you could open it in a different window and maybe split your screen so you can look at the tree and answer the questions. Otherwise, you can just scroll up and down. Okay, so here's La Famille Escargot. Oui, Escargot. Okay, this is our little escargot family. Let me explain a couple things. This here with the little dash lines and the line through the heart, that means they're divorcés, they're divorced, okay? And then you see Suzette est remariée, remariée, à Luc, okay? Remarried. So I think that's all that you need to know from the family tree. I did write a few little helps in purple on some of these cards. if I thought you might be confused about something. So some of them are true, false, or multiple choice, and some of them are short answer. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Okay, so if you have any questions at home, envoyez-moi un mail, oui, un email, et je te répondrai autant que possible. Au revoir mes amis, bonne journée.